Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make raw mango rice. So first you have to take one raw mango, any varieties of mango you can take. Peel the skin and grate it. After that, take a pan, put some oil, mustard seeds, peanuts, curry leaves, then chop it 2 or 3 chilies. First you have to fry the peanuts, after that add this all. Mix it well. Then take that grated mango. Put that grated mango in the pan. Mix it well for 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, add 1 spoon of turmeric powder and little bit salt. After that, add rice to it. Mix it well. So lastly, you have to add grated coconuts. So now the raw mango rice recipe is ready to serve. See you in the next video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.